For this bunny, you're going to use 4 260s. I have 2 purple violet, 1 white, 1 rose, and also a 5-inch white round. Okay, so blow that first one up there, with a little left over at the end, and that second purple violet with about 4 to 5 finger lengths left. And the white one's going to be for the eyes and part of the mouth. About there is good. And this is just for the nose, just a little bit is okay for the rose. And then this is going to be the tail, so about that size for the 5-inch white round. All right, grab that first balloon there. In this case, I'm using purple violet. You can use any color you want. Now go ahead and twist those ends together. This is going to be the ears of the balloon. So you want to pull it across to find center, bring it back over, and then twist right in the middle. So you have 2 identical loop twists on each side. You can lock them into place if you want. All right, we'll grab that second purple violet with a little less air than the first. And this is going to be the main body of the bunny. So I'm going to do a bubble about there. And right in that crease where I'm holding on to it, in that twist, I'm going to pop it through the center of those ears. Bring that around. And then with that nozzle, I'll wrap that around so that I get 2 equal sides right there. And that's going to be the back of the head of the bunny. All right. At this point, I'm going to grab that white balloon there. I'm going to start by doing a 1-inch bubble. And then another one. And then bring that nozzle around so there are 2 identical sides. Push it through so it locks it in. Now we're going to bring that around for a loop twist. And this is the sides of the bunny's face. And then we'll do one more the same size. Should look like that. Now we'll bring that original body we had and we're going to place that right underneath that head that we created. So we'll pop it in right there and wrap it around. All right, so with that remaining white, we're going to make some eyes. So make a twist there so it matches. Could be the same size or a little smaller than those purple ones. This will be the front of the head. Wrap it around and then bring it back down for the second eyeball or front of the head. Now twist that around. Get everything adjusted where you need it. Go ahead and twist there for the neck. Bolt those balloons together. And then you're going to make the feet there. So I'm going to use the purple. And you got to bring this back in while holding it all in place, because if you let go, sometimes that neck could unravel. So get that second leg, the same size, twist it all in for the front legs. All right, so I adjust it so the white goes underneath like a belly and the darker purple's on top. Okay, I'm gonna go out to right there. I'm adjusted so that the white is a little bit shorter than the purple violet. Creates a little bit of an arch there on the back. Now push that white one or the other one through, doesn't matter. All right, make these the same size, so grab that purple again and make the back legs. So that remaining purple, we're going to bring it across there so we have 2 sections of the balloon on top for the bunny's back. I'm going to twist that in. And then pop that off, that extra piece. Go ahead and tie that piece in there. I can just lock it in the head there, or in the center. All right, so at this point I'm actually going to take off that, because that's not the tail that I want. I'm going to pull that all off and make sure I tie right there before I move on. All right, make some adjustments there. And I'm going to put the 5-inch white round that we have, and we're just going to put that right on the back of the bunny there, right above those back legs. Secure it on nice and tight and wrap that nozzle around a few times. Lock it in place. All right, so that makes a nice little bushy tail. All right, next I'm going to grab that rose balloon. That's going to be the nose. So just make a little tiny bubble there. And then I'm going to make a pinch twist, so I'll bring that nozzle around and then push it through that opening. Okay, once that's there, I can pull the rest of the balloon off. And then make sure I tie that knot. All right. Now I'm ready to put that on the bunny. So I'm just going to pop it in there right in the center of the bunny's face. Secure it on. I like to wrap it all the way around the head so it doesn't go just to one side if it gets loose. All right, I'm going to adjust the ears here, kind of bend those down a little bit. All right, so let's grab our Sharpie there and draw some eyes on. And we are almost done. Nice big eyes. Some eyebrows, and that is our balloon bunny.